Hello guys, welcome back to George Basics. We are playing One Armed Robber, and in today's video we are gonna do jewelry store in stealth mode, guys. So before we start, don't forget, hit the like buttons. Likes are super important for me. Okay guys, let's start the game. First of all, we need to take the weapons, we need to take the bag, and we need to put this lockpick inside the bag. Okay, now let's go to the store. But be careful, guys, there is a guard outside, so we need this guard to turn around because we don't need this guy to see us. So let's wait until he will turn around and we will go to the door. Okay, now we can start our job. Let's take the screwdriver and let's open the door, guys. We need to open this door as soon as possible because our time is limited. When you open the door, you need to go in the left side of the room because there is a camera here. So first of all, we need to shoot this camera and then we need to shoot this guy. Now we need to take his phone. We have got few seconds and we need to put this phone right here. Okay guys, now let's take our lockpick inside the room. Let's take our bag. And now we need to open this door. And we need to go inside this room, but there's a camera. First of all, we need to shoot this camera. Then we need to tie this guy. And we need to wait for this guard. He will come here. And we need to take his phone. And we need to put the phone right here. Okay, guys, now everything is ready. And now we need to take our lockpick, the screwdriver, and we need to go upstairs. We need to go upstairs and we need to open this door. It's a little bit hard for me to open these doors. Okay, when we open the door, then we need to go to this way and we need to take this green card. With this card we can turn off the alarm system. So let's go back to this room and we need to open this door with this green card and we need to turn this off, guys. We don't need this card anymore, so let's go back. Okay, let's take our screwdriver and let's open this door, guys, but be careful. When we open this door, there's a guard inside, so we need to be very careful and we need to kill that guy as soon as possible. All right, let's get ready. Let's take his phone and let's put the phone right here. Okay. Now guys, be careful. You shouldn't open this door because it's the security room and there's a guard inside. You need to open this door. The director of the jewelry store is inside the office, so we need to take the main card from his office to open the main storage. So let's get ready. Let's open the door. Let's tie him up, guys, and then we can take this card. But before that, here you can see the money on the desk. So let's take the money first. We need our bag. Okay, let's take the bag. And let's put all of the money inside our bag. Okay, now we have got everything. We can leave this room and let's go to the main storage. Now we can open the main storage, which is right here. Let's put our bag and we need to use the blue card first. Okay, we don't need this anymore. We need the lockpick. And let's open this door. All right, and now we need to take all of the loot, from the room. So let's begin with the money. First of all, let's take all of the money. So when you see that your bag is full, you can take the bag to the truck, which is outside, and you can take another bag from the truck. As you can see, we have got 16k in this bag. Now let's take another one and let's put all of the loots inside the bag. You can see they are reds. Okay, guys, and let's put this gold. Let's put these rings, watches. You can watch on the floor, there might be something. You can see there's some watches. You can see there's a ring on the floor. So our bag is almost full. Let's look around. I think we have got everything and now we can go. Now we can go, but need to put this back inside the bag. Okay, now we have got everything. Let's go to the truck and let's see how much is this worth, guys. All right, we have got 72.7k, guys, around 73k, and we have done this mission. We have got this loot. Now we can finish our mission. You can do it much quicker, guys. It's just video tutorial. You can do it in about 7 or 8 minutes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like buttons and see you in the next video.